Hi, welcome home. Welcome to the Resiners Poorhouse. This is an exciting announcement today, especially for my friend Tim Watkins. Woot woot! Give him a shout out. Everyone go to his page. He just hit 1,500 subscribers. Way to go, Tim. I always said from the beginning you were super talented, and it's obvious your people love you. But anyway, I was on his 1,500 giveaway video, and he asked the question, how did he get his name Bass Resonator? And I mentioned it's because that's what he sings in the choir, and he teaches high school choir. And my answer helped me win. So I just got this today for winning the 1,500 subscriber giveaway. So excited to see this. Thank you in advance, Tim, for sending it to me and sending it so quickly. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love the magnet. Haha. That is awesome. That is classy. I'm going to be one of the rare people that have this. You need to sell these. That's awesome. Oh, wow. And a sticker. Wow. I am so not this fancy. Look at this. So if you need to get a hold of Tim, go check him out on Instagram too. EP Albino is his tag there. And we have this beautiful box. We got bougainvillea. I know this from when I lived in Florida. And the beautiful, is it the Turkish caps or Mexican medicine hat, I think is what it's called. It's really beautiful. Look at that rich, it's like a burgundy. It's a gorgeous color. And then we have the blue bonnets, all grown by Tim, all dried by Tim, all will be used by me here in the poorhouse. Yay! Okay, and then we have an Into Resin mold. I'm not sure if they're sponsoring this or if he just ordered it from. So we have this Into Resin mold. I'm not sure if they're sponsoring this or if they gave it, or if he bought it from them, but I'm so excited to see what kind this is. Oh my gosh, it's a handmade mold. Oh wow. Oh, it's the shiny pumpkin mold. Just in time for fall and Thanksgiving. Oh, this will make a beautiful Thanksgiving centerpiece. I am so excited. I know that there's a lot of care that you need for these handmade molds. You don't want to treat them like your regular molds or put alcohol in them, even really wash them or touch them on the inside. Don't do that. I know that. Don't even use tape. And keep it in a bag. And then, you know, make sure you don't put it in the sun. Wanted to see how cheap this is. Oh, sorry for the crinkling. Sorry for the crinkling. I'll edit that. Okay, so it looks like we're about 2.5. Yeah, I use my thumbs for inch measurements. I know it's, I don't know. Tell me in the comments if I'm the only one that does that. It is so cute. It is so cute. And it looks like it's got this extra detail. I want to put my fingers in there to see if there's just how the way it's shaped. There's a cute little stem. I'm not gonna put my fingers in there, but look how shiny that is. It's gonna come out like a 500 faceted gemstone. I know it's just going to be super shiny, super pretty, and I'm going to get this on my to-do list, but it's gonna go up to top place. So thank you, Tim. I'm so proud to be a subscriber of yours and so honored that I got to win. I wish that I was bigger so that I had more subscribers to send to you, because you truly deserve it. And thank you, Tim. We all love you. And thank you to Into Resin, and thank you to Tim's Garden. Remember to always stay sticky, and you always have a home here.